So I'll tell you a little bit about where the apprenticeship scheme started. Hertfordshire were an early adopter of the apprentice by being a member of the Trailblazer, the national project. We very influenced the content of the apprenticeship, and as such, when we brought it in, we were fully able to deliver it to the best. We've had over the last 3 years 124 apprentices through the scheme, all of who've passed, and so we have the only brigade in the country at the moment that's standing with 100% pass rate, first time pass rate for apprentices, which is down to the dedication of the staff involved. The benefits of bringing the apprenticeship for us was it allowed us to standardise training delivery at training centre, and that has now filtered out into the wider station training through the watch commanders, who are heavily involved now in the development of apprenticeships. So because we deliver an apprenticeship scheme and we accept government money to deliver that, it comes with some key responsibilities, and the biggest one for us is that we are Ofsted inspected. Hertfordshire were Ofsted inspected back in 2019, and I'm delighted to say that we had a good rating, and we maintain that good rating now. There is a lot of work in terms of Ofsted, in terms of getting the quality of teaching and learning correct, assessments fair, and the process running smoothly so that the apprentices know that they're constantly progressing and working towards achievement of their endpoint assessment. In terms of the way we monitor and record training, we now have a system called PDR Pro, which hopefully you should all be familiar with. PDR Pro was launched in 2019 and is a very easy way to record all training activity against key competencies, core competencies we're required to do. It also records whether you are within licence to practice in BA, in Incident Command and IEC, and is based on a RAG rate. So you'll see it actually now records whether you are red, amber or green against a degree of competencies. This has allowed us to really monitor how we are delivering training and whether we're delivering all the training that's required to help people stay safe on the incident ground. The big advantage to us is we have a central reporting system now that watch managers and any manager from junior officer right to the chief fire officer can get instant reports against our key performance indicators, which we've set for BA and Incident Command. And that allows good quality training planning to go on, making us far more efficient than we ever were across the service. So over the last 2 years, we've had very challenging times with COVID and the pandemic. Hertfordshire Training have managed to deliver a full training planner over that period of time through the dedication really of the instructor staff here, and also the support from people out on station, from our watch commanders and other instructors. It was very challenging at the start of the pandemic because we had a new squad coming into the service, and we actually had to employ technology so that we could do their knowledge-based training in distance fashion very early on in their programme before they came in here. As a result of that, they managed to come in and we didn't have to extend their initial training. So I think actually, contrary to some of the other brigades we work closely with who actually closed their training programmes down, Hertfordshire went through, managed to produce the training programme, which has left us in a far better place than we are now.